Okay, had some technical difficulties. I'm starting late. It's around 9:51, as you can see in the bottom there, bottom right corner, 9:51 a.m. Eastern, 9:51 p.m. in the Philippines. So before I start, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comments made during this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I am neither a professional or licensed trading advisor. I am merely a retail trader like everyone else. And once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So that said, economic calendar is looking like this. We have a high impact release, which is the ISM manufacturing PMI. It's gonna be around 10 o'clock. We'll see what's gonna move the chart. Again, that's at 10 a.m. Eastern, 10 p.m. here in the Philippines. So let's see what's gonna happen there. So in the meantime, let's look at the macro chart and see what's going on. Basically, uneventful overnight hour or overnight session. You can see here's the value area, there's the POC, and it's basically just ranging between the upper value area high and the value area low for the overnight session until we had this pop, and now this is where we're at. Popped all the way up to the +3 deviation level of the VWAP, of the 24-hour VWAP, and that's where we are right now. You guys can see it's trying to get down here to the VWAP, but we'll see what's going on. Again, news coming out around 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. Eastern. So let's see what's going to happen here. Let me see. Let's look at the other chart here. We're looking at the more congressive chart at this one, I think. That's the RTH. This is the ETH, which I like as well. As you can see, we are now in the +1 deviation level right now. So, and it's just waiting for that news release right now. Okay, let's look at the RTH chart right here. Hopefully I got the numbers here right. Let's see. Yeah, okay, there we are. Yeah, there's the value area now for the RTH intraday or morning session, as you can see right there. So basically we're ranging between the upper value area high, value area low. Your POCs right here, point of control. So we'll see what happens here. Trading 2 contracts. We'll see what happens within 1 hour, if we can get a good profit or not. Okay, so with that said, I will put this on mute and I will talk to you guys later. So basically in profit right now of 247. That's net. So what I'm gonna do is watch over this. Most likely it's gonna pop. Let me see if I can get in here. Because that's what. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Let me see. Let me put this back in mute. took less than maybe 6 ticks because I could tell that's, see the higher lows there. Just had to scalp that for maybe 6 ticks, but that should suffice my profit goal. 389 net, which it does. And I knew this was kind of going to range like this. Again, we're between the POC for the intraday and basically the value area high. And especially when you're in that area, most likely it's going to range between those two areas. Now, if this is looking at the VWAP. Let me get my microphone back down here. Okay, so like I said, I only scalped that for 6 ticks, right? Because I can tell there was really no volatility going on here. It's basically ranging between the intraday or what we call the RTH, or more of the morning session, RTH, regular trading hours. And this was basically, I can tell this is going between the POC, point of control, and the value area high for the intraday. And if you're looking more into this, look at this right there. This is more of the overnight chart in the VWAP as well, and you can tell where this is located in terms of the value area high there, the volume profile. As you can see, it's also low volume, but let's look at this once again, but I should be done for the day. This is the macro chart, and then you can see it's kind of ranging right here. Just draw that out. Rectangle right there, as you can see right there, right? Okay. So I think with that, I will end it for today. I'll see if I can do some swing trades, but I think this is going to range. We'll see what happens here. It might continue going up, and see here. Yeah, it may continue going up since we're breaking both the value area high. Right, so that's it. I'm going to end it for this evening, and I'll talk to you guys hopefully tomorrow. I have my class with my DTA students tomorrow, and we'll see how the market looks like. Maybe I might trade the afternoon session. We shall see, depending if there's no lack of volatility during close to the lunch hour. I should be done with an hour, but like I said, we'll see how the market is tomorrow. If not, I'll talk to you guys on Wednesday. Okay? Take care. Stay safe. Especially here in the Philippines. We're back to, here in Manila, we're back to the modified quarantine. So stay safe. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.